COLESTTCCGADGTS UCAMS 2023. Tech moves pretty fast, and if you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss the chance to own some really cool tech gadgets with the best features. Today, we're going to be showing you 5 of the coolest gadgets you should definitely buy today. Let's get into it. Number 5. WonderFitter. WonderFitter is the current ultimate home archery device of this age. Gone are the days when archery was only practiced in the woods. WonderFitter is a smart virtual archery that allows you to enjoy your game to the fullest in the comfort of your home. WonderFitter brings the full experience of fun and joy in learning archery. It enhances shooting skills, tones your muscles, and even enhances your mental focus. WonderFitter makes all of these easy to achieve because it comes with a physical specialized bow and arrow that will enhance your fun time. Number 4. Groove Music Sync Box. Groove Music Sync Box has the ultimate lighting experience. With the Groove Music Sync Box, you can control Grove's smart color lights in the same space for seamless music synchronization, creating a gorgeous sound and light arrangement made for you. This gadget has 22 music modes and a Bluetooth group control of 7 devices within 100 feet. The gadget works with the Groove Home app, which allows you to select from a wide range of music modes, giving you that concert experience from the comfort of your own home. Groove Music Sync Box has a long battery life. Its built-in 2,500 mAh lithium battery ensures 50+ hours of usage on a single charge. You can also charge your battery via USB to keep the party going. Except for H6003, Groove Music Sync Box supports all of your Groove smart color light products. There's endless entertainment with Groove Music Sync Box. Number 3. Dragonfish Drone. The all-powerful Dragonfish is the talk of the town. Dragonfish Drone is a unique drone with a special tilt rotor design that simplifies the drone's operation while maximizing its performance and efficiency. Some of the drone's distinctive features include its powerful AI tracking capabilities, a multitude of modular payload options, and its insane flight time of 120 minutes. It's not common to get powerful drones with such flight times, as most modern drones only last for 30 minutes. Dragonfish is truly distinctive. Dragonfish offers a quality view through the lens of its 4K camera and a Super 20x optical zoom feature. Its maximum fly speed is 67 miles per hour, and its infrared detection is from 200 meters away. The drone has no complicated moving parts. It is waterproof, smart, and reliable. Number 2. Bugeye Micro Compass. Never get lost in the woods or anywhere else with Bugeye. Bugeye is a keychain navigation compass that can help you find your way back home or bring you to a safe spot where you can be easily rescued. When asked how the new compass idea came to be, it seemed that the wonderful product designer of Bugeye got all the inspiration he needed from the traditional compass that has been existing for a long time. Here is what Andrew Lee, the product designer of Bugeye, said in the company's press release: "The world is open again, and people are once again traveling and hitting the trails. We thought, why not take another look at the traditional compass? We found that compasses haven't changed much over the years, and there seemed to be only one style. Then we knew what we had to do." And just like he said, they really knew what to do and did just that. The Bugeye's base is made of durable grade 5 titanium or solid bronze, and this makes the compass shockproof, waterproof, sand-resistant, and unaffected by extreme temperatures. The compass can be read in 2 different ways, and this makes it way more preferable when compared to traditional compasses. Bugeye is a perfect backup for GPS. Number 1. Nomad Desk. Technology has really done a lot in seeing to the comfort of humans, and Nomad Desk is one beautiful way to ensure that. Nomad Desk is simply unique in every way. Nomad Desk is simply an adjustable desk that you can carry around in your backpack. The desk is very portable and can fold or unfold in under 10 seconds without assembling or disassembling the parts. One of the table's most distinctive features is its adaptability to all terrains and how it is impervious to uneven grounds. Other features include its anodized aluminum frame, strong legs, clear plexiglass tabletop, and 180-degree adjustable feet with polyurethane grips. The feet come with a tilt mechanism that allows the desk to sit flat even on rough grounds. Looking into the legs, the Nomad desk's height can be adjusted by using a single button release system. The height of the desk can go from a range of 25 to 110 centimeters, 9.8 to 43.3 in, giving you up to 15 different positions, whether you decide to sit or stand while using your desk. The legs retrace and the desk itself is folded into the half when it's time to pack up. The desk also features a magnet that holds it together when it is closed. When folded, the Nomad desk collapses into a 16-inch laptop-size item as thin as 2 books. It weighs under 3.5 kg and can be used for all your favorite indoor and outdoor activities that require a desk. These are the 5 coolest tech gadgets that you shouldn't miss in 2023. We hope to see more of these gadgets very soon, and we will definitely keep you updated. On that note, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to be updated on our new tech videos.